Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on RADICO Khaitan. Our analyst upgrades rating on RADICO Khaitan to buy from hold with revised price target of Rs 1660. It posted strong performance in Q1, beating our as well as street expectation, with revenues and PAT growing by 26% and 9% year-on-year respectively. Operating profit margin expanded by 31 bps year-on-year to 12.5, which improved by 304 bps quarter-on-quarter. Sales volume of prestige and above segment grew by 28% year-on-year, beating the management guidance of 15 to 18%. The management is confident of maintaining high teens volume growth in P&A segment in FY24. Backward integration, price hikes in key markets, easing of few commodity prices, and a better mix will help EBITDA margin consistently improve in quarters ahead. We target 14 to 15% margin by Q4 end, with strong growth potential in premium segment and focus on becoming debt-free in next 3 to 4 years. RADICO is good pick in the liquor space. It is currently trading at 60 times FY24 estimates and 42 times FY25 estimated earnings. Next on radar is KSB Limited. Our analyst reiterates positive view on KSB as its consolidated Q2 calendar year 23 number were robust and exceeded estimates. Sales and PAT grew by 32% and 32.5% respectively, and operating profit margin expanded by 80 bps to 14.4% year-on-year. Order intake for calendar year 23 Q2 was 616 crore, up by 26% year-on-year. Order book excluding NPCIL orders is at 1200 crore. KSB caters to multiple industries and broadening its offering beyond pumps. The acquisition of Bharat Pumps would help it grow in petrochemicals and refinery industries. Despite run-up, we see potential upside, improved outlooks on export, robust diversified order book, execution of NPCIL orders, multiple sectors and margin tailwinds. We expect sales CAGR of 20% and PAT CAGR of 27% for calendar year 23 to calendar year 24. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.